gravity pull and it keeps me away. I would rather be here, lonely in space.
Yo, what's up, guys? Today we'll be doing a cool project, a story generator. It's for beginners. If you want to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, excuse me, let's get into it. First, we will need to import a module, random. You can read about that on the W3 Schools website. We'll do a variable when. And here's we're going to put brackets, double quotes. And you can just keep on with this. You're going to have to put a who, another variable, say an elephant, name, could be anything, Sergio. And next we're going to do a went variable. You could put this in double quotes or single quotes. Cinema. And what you're gonna have to do is, when you print, you are going to print random dot choice when, put a plus sign, quotes, quotes, comma, plus, and you just keep going with it. Here's the full code. I'll paste it in for you guys, so I don't have to type the whole thing. And there you go. You can do variable, import the random, either variables, the print choice module, when. Make sure you got the plus sign. And when you print it, it's gonna randomly select and make a little story for you. See you guys.